Have you ever dreamed of making money while you sleep? Sounds like a fantasy, right? But what if we told you it's possible? Yes, folks, we're talking about passive income, a concept that has revolutionized the financial world. Imagine earning dollars while you're dreaming, without having to clock in or out. Now let's talk about YouTube, a platform that's more than just viral videos and cute cat compilities. Today, YouTube is a goldmine for entrepreneurs, a place where creativity and commerce merge. With over 2 billion users worldwide, it's a platform that has transformed ordinary individuals into successful entrepreneurs. It's a bustling virtual marketplace where you can establish a brand, reach out to a global audience, and yes, make money while you sleep. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but a strategic and fulfilling journey towards financial independence. So buckle up and get ready to explore the world of YouTube and passive income. Stay tuned as we unravel the secrets to earning passive income on YouTube. Before we dive into how to make passive income on YouTube, it's crucial to understand what passive income actually is. Picture this: you're snoozing comfortably, and while you're in dreamland, your bank account is growing. That, my friends, is the magic of passive income. It's the earnings that you make without active day-to-day involvement, a stark contrast to your 9-to-5 job where you trade time for money. Instead, with passive income, you put in upfront effort and the rewards trickle in over time. Why is passive income so attractive, you might wonder? Well, it's all about financial freedom and flexibility. Passive income can supplement your regular earnings, cushioning your financial security. It can pave the way to early retirement, help you save for that dream vacation, or even become your main source of income. Now that we've understood what passive income is, let's explore how YouTube fits into this equation. YouTube has become a powerhouse for passive income generation. But how does it work? Imagine a world where you can make money while you sleep. That's the power of YouTube in the realm of passive income. As a platform, YouTube provides a plethora of opportunities to monetize your creativity and passion. By creating a successful YouTube channel, you can build a steady stream of passive income that grows as your channel does. So how does one generate income through YouTube? Well, there are 3 primary ways: monetization through ads, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. Let's start with the first: monetization through ads. Once your channel meets certain criteria, you can allow YouTube to run ads on your videos. Each time a viewer interacts with these ads, you earn a small commission. Over time, and with a significant number of views, this can add up to substantial earnings. Next is sponsored content. As your channel grows and gains a loyal following, brands might approach you to create content that features their products or services. These partnerships can be quite lucrative, but remember, your audience trusts you. It's crucial to maintain honesty and transparency about these sponsorships. Finally, there's affiliate marketing. This involves promoting a product or service in your videos and providing an affiliate link in the description. Each time someone makes a purchase using your link, you earn a percentage of the sale. It's an excellent way to generate passive income, especially if you're promoting products that align with your content and audience interests. But here's the catch: none of these methods will work without engaging and high-quality content. Your content is the foundation of your YouTube channel. It's what draws viewers in and keeps them coming back for more. It's what builds trust with your audience, making them more likely to interact with ads, purchase sponsored products, or use your affiliate links. Creating a successful YouTube channel is the first step towards passive income. But how can you get started? Stay tuned, and we'll delve into the specifics of setting up and growing your YouTube channel in the next segment. Starting a YouTube channel may seem daunting, but with a little bit of guidance, you'll be on the path to earning passive income. The first step to creating your YouTube channel is choosing a niche. This is a specialized segment of the market you'll be focusing on. It should be something you're passionate about, as passion often translates into engaging content. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to create your channel. This involves choosing a catchy and memorable channel name, creating a compelling channel logo and banner, and crafting a concise and engaging channel description. Each of these elements should reflect your niche and your brand, helping to attract your target audience. After setting up your channel, it's time to start creating content. Remember, content is king in the world of YouTube. Your content should be high quality, engaging, and relevant to your niche. Whether it's how-to videos, vlogs, or reviews, make sure your content provides value to your audience. But creating content is only half the battle. To truly succeed on YouTube, you'll need to upload consistently. This could mean uploading once a week, twice a week, or even daily, depending on your content and your audience's preferences. Consistency helps to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Understanding your audience is another crucial aspect of YouTube's success. This involves knowing who your audience is, what they like, and when they're most likely to watch your videos. You can use YouTube's built-in analytics tool to gain insights into your audience's behavior and preferences. Lastly, you'll need to optimize your content for search. This means using relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. It also means creating engaging thumbnails that draw viewers in. Remember, the goal is to make it as easy as possible for people to find your content. Creating a channel is just the beginning. Up next, we're going to talk about how to monetize your YouTube content. Once your YouTube channel is up and running, it's time to start thinking about monetization. So, how do we transform your passion project into a revenue-generating machine? Let's dive in. The first and most straightforward way to monetize YouTube content is through ad revenue. By joining YouTube's partner program, you allow ads to be displayed on your videos, and in turn, receive a portion of the ad revenue. The key to maximizing earnings here is maintaining consistent viewer engagement. The longer your viewers stay, the more ads they see, the more revenue you generate. Next, let's talk about sponsored content. This is when a company pays you to promote their product or service in your video. The trick here is to find sponsors that align with your content and audience. Remember, authenticity is key. If your audience feels like they're being sold to, they might tune out. So, make sure the product or service you're promoting is something you genuinely believe in and would use yourself. Now on to affiliate marketing. This involves promoting a product or service and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. The secret to success here is choosing products that naturally fit into your content and resonate with your audience. For example, if you run a tech review channel, promoting the latest gadgets would make sense. Finally, there's merchandise sales. If you've built a loyal following, creating and selling merchandise can be a great way to monetize. Whether it's t-shirts with your catchphrase, custom-designed coffee mugs, or even an ebook, the possibilities are endless. The key here is to create products that your audience will love and feel proud to own. But remember, monetization isn't just about choosing a method and running with it. It's about understanding your audience, creating valuable content, and making strategic decisions. You'll need to experiment, analyze results, and adjust your strategy accordingly. It's also worth mentioning that while these methods can generate income, they're not guaranteed. YouTube is a highly competitive platform, and earning significant revenue requires time, effort, and a bit of luck. But don't let that discourage you. With passion, patience, and persistence, you can turn your YouTube channel into a profitable venture. And there you have it, the blueprint to making money while you sleep with YouTube. It's not easy, but with hard work and persistence, your dreams of passive income can become a reality.